Hello everyone, it's Jean from the Inky Owl Studio. I have a journal share here of a fall journal that I've just completed. And it is a folio with journaling notebooks inside. And it's based on the cardstock folio tutorial that I did a few weeks ago. And I'm going to put that tutorial down below that shows you how to construct this in case you missed it. It has a cloth spine to kind of add to the durability. This is Artie May's digital kit, and I have mounted it on chipboard, so it has this really nice double layer. And the die cut leaves are on a heavy cardstock, and that kind of gives it lots of dimension, a little bit of burlap, and a metal file nameplate here with a removable word. This is the back. Alrighty, so it's got a crinkled seam binding closure, tie closure. And this is the first page, and there are some journal opportunities right there. Love these colors, just gorgeous, rich fall colors. I used a variety of kits, so I will put down below the people, the artists that I kind of pulled from. I've got woodland creatures in here, some fall harvest, beautiful fall scene right there, and two tags, two pretty good sized tags inside these slit pockets here. There are 5 of these mega tags, very large, perfect for photos or for journaling. That's the first one. So there's 2 notebooks, and each one has, I think, 16 pages. So you could put one page could be a daily entry for a month. And these are refillable. You just simply undo the brads and punch holes in your new paper and put it in. And these do lift out of a little slide pocket there as well. Lots of places here to journal. Here's a 2-layered tuck spot with a couple of cards stuck inside there. I hope the light is okay. I've been having some trouble with lighting today. I think it's because it's kind of cloudy out. And here is another pretty large tag. A little owl pocket, floating pocket with some ephemera on the inside to journal on. A little rusty paper clip, and inside this pocket is a tree tag. Another gorgeous, gorgeous scene of fall. The second mega tag inside of this pocket here. And this pocket has, of course, a pumpkin and some lovely fall leaves. A belly band with 2 envelopes, and each envelope has some tea stain paper inside for you to write on. So, a couple of these envelopes, and here is the second one. Just like so. And then this tag comes down out this way with a little charm on it, a little owl charm. And this hangs down below so you can see it even when the journal is closed. So that's a mega tag there. And it just sticks up like so. Here is the second notebook with some more places for journaling. A tuck spot with some pretty cards here for writing. Another place for a photo, perhaps. Here's another large tag, beautiful lady. And that slips down inside this junk mail envelope. It's been tea stained. And a little squirrel pocket inside here with a little journaling card tucked inside. Okay. And the mega tag in the side of this pocket. So that's the last one, fifth one. And here are some more. A little turkey, gotta have a turkey in the fall. A little garden harvest there. And a Tim Holtz die cut with these tiny, teeny, cute little cards. And a little tag in the back. So that is the Folio Journal. Hard to know what to call these things, but there's a lot of fun things that you can do with this. So thank you so much for viewing. Please make sure that you like this video if you enjoyed that, and subscribe to see what other journals I'm going to be having in the near future. Thank you, and we will talk to you later. Bye.